Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Unit 7. Can you see the pattern? In our previous video, we have studied till page number 108. Now we will move further. Our first question is smart adding. Now, students, let's see what is the smart about adding here. What if someone gives you to add 10 numbers together? So they have added 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. The total is 55. Then he is saying how I can find it quickly. Then the answer, how can I find it quickly? If somebody tells you to add the total of 1 to 10, then we know it is 55. If somebody tells to add the total of 11 to 20, then how can we add it quickly, students? So they have taught us a trick here about that. See the numbers 1, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The total of these numbers is 155. From 11 to 20, the total is 155. Same way, students, what we have seen here, see, here it was 55, here it is 155, so 100 is added to this. Same pattern we can move further here also. See, if we add 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Students, when we add these numbers, we will get the answer. I have added it previously, so we will get the answer 255. Means one more 100 is to be added, isn't it? Same way the pattern will go from, if you add from 31 to 40, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39, we will get here. After one more 100 we will add to this total, so it is 255, it will be 355. Same way from 41 to 50, if we add, we will get, students, 455. Here from 51 to 60, 555, and same way from 61 to 70 we will get 655. So this is a pattern they have taught to us about that. After each and every, from 1 to 10 it is 55, from 11 to 20 it is one more 100 is added to it, it is 155. 21 to 30, one more 100 to the total it is added, then it will be 255. So after every 10 numbers of addition from 21 to 30 or 31 to 40 or 41 to 50, 51 to 60 or 61 to 70, we are supposed to add 100 to the total of it. So we will get its pattern. Smart. How can you do that? I can get some without adding. So did you notice the pattern? So this was the pattern which is been given here. This also you can write and you can fill it in the textbook, all the students. Understood? Find out the pattern. Okay. Now fun with the odd numbers. Students, what are the odd numbers? In the alphabets in the numbers we are having odd numbers that are, for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Means these all numbers are odd numbers and goes on, they are infinite again. Okay. Now how at every step add the next odd number? See, 1 plus 3, what we got? 4. The 4 we get 4 by multiplying 2 into 2. By 2 2s are 4. Same way, similarly, further if we extend the pattern, 1 plus 3 plus 5. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9. We got 9. Now 9 we get by multiplying the same number 3 by 3. 3 multiplied by 3 we get 9. Same pattern follows further. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus, now the new odd number is 7. Now the total is 16. 16 we get by multiplying 4 4s are 16. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, new odd number is 9. Then students, what we will get? 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 7 25. When do we get 25? We get 25 by multiplying 5 5s are 25. Next we will get 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So till 9 the total was 25. Now the new odd number is 11. So 25 plus 11 students we get 36. So 36 when we get 36 by 6 into 6. Now the new odd number is 13. The total till 11 here was 36. 36 plus 13 students we get 49. So when do we get 49? 49 we get by 7 sevens are 49 students. So this we get these numbers what we get, they were the square of these numbers. The square and square root you will study in the higher classes students. Right now we can understood that by multiplying which number we get 49. So 7 sevens are 49, 6 6 are 36, 5 5 are 25, 4 4 are 16, 3 3 are 9 and 2 2 are 4. Understood students? This also you are supposed to do in your textbook only student. Now let's see what is given next here. Bano and Binod were playing a guessing game by writing clues about a secret number. Each tried to guess the other secret number from the clues. Can you guess the secret number? See, here what is the supposed to secret number we have write. It is larger than half of 50. That means the first clue we got that it will be greater than 50. Okay. It is more than 6 tenths and less than 7 tenths. It is more than 6 tenths. So it will be greater than 60. 6 tenths means 60 and lesser than 70. That means the number will be between 60 to 70. Understood? Number will be between 60 and 70. The tens digit is one more than the ones digit. So students, let's see here again this second clue. It is more than 6 tenths and less than 70. So less than 70, that means the number will be in 6 tenths will be in 6 only. Okay, this number will be 6 tenths. So the 10 digits is one more than the ones digits. So tens digits we know that it is 6. So we got 6 and it is one more than 5. So which is the number less than 6? One digit less than 6. So it is 65. Together the digits have the sum of 11. Let's total this sum. 6 plus 5, it is 11. So our number is 65. What is the secret number? The number is 65. Understood students? Enjoyed it? Now next. It is smaller than 100. That means that number will be less than 50. Okay, it will be less than 50. It is more than 4 tenths and less than 5 tenths. More than 4 tenths and less than 5 tenths. That means this number again will be between 40 and 50. The tens digit is 2 more than the ones digit. So we know the tens digit is 4. It will be 2 more than 10 digits will be 2 more than 1 digit. So 10 digits is 4. 4 2 more. So less than 4, 2 digits less than 4, how much? It is 2. So together the digits have a sum of 6. Let's calculate 4 plus 6. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So our number is 42. Understood students? Now students, number surprise. The first sum of number surprise is related to your age. Ask your friend, write down your age. Students, let's take, if I, for example, you are in 5th standard, I suppose your age is 10. I take the age 10. Add 5 to it. So 10 plus 5 is 15. Multiply the sum by 2. Then 15, the sum is 15. 10 plus 5, 15. Sum multiplied by 2, we get 30. Subtract 10 from it. Now subtract 10. 30 minus 10. 20. Next, divide it by 2. We get 10. What do you get? We get 10 means the age which we have assumed. Understood, students? You can try this with your friend. Enjoyed it? Okay. Now let's move further. See, students, B. Here I have taken a number. Again, it is a number surprise only. We are supposed to assume the numbers. They are the tricks which you are playing now with your friends. Okay, assume this number and I will get you answer. Such types of tricks it is. Now, take a number. I have suppose taken the number 7. Now double it. The number 7, it's to be double, means to be multiplied by 2. Double it, 7 2s are 14. Now next, multiply by 5. What the answer we get is 14. We are supposed to multiply it by 5. 14 5s are 70. Divide your answer by 10. The answer is 70 divided by 10. What we get? 7. The number which we had assumed. Isn't it, students? Enjoyed? What we are supposed to do? Take a number, then double it, means multiply it by 2, then multiply it by 5, then divide it by 10. Understood? Then again we will get the same number. Now next, see, again I have taken and assumed the number. I have assumed the number 9. Double it. So 9 multiply, double we are supposed to multiply. 9 multiplied by 2, 18. Again double it. 18 multiplied by 2, 36. Add the number you took first to the answer. Now what the answer what we got? 36. Add the number which we took further. So it was 9. 36 plus 9, 45. Now again double it. Now what we got the answer? 45. Then double 90. Now divide it by 10. So 90 divided by 10. Again we got the same number. Understood, students? What we have done? First we take a number, double that number, means multiply it by 2. What the answer you get? Again you double it. Then add the number which you had taken first to the answer. Then now again what you have got the answer, again double it and then divide it by 10. Understood? Now one more pattern is here. Look at this pattern of number and take it forward. 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Then 121. So what is 121? 11 multiplied by 11 is 121. 1 2 3, see it's 2. 1 year, 1 year, 2 in the center. 1 year, 1 and 2 and 2, 3 at the center. So it is 111 multiplied by 111. And 111 multiplied by 111, we got this one. Now see the pattern, 123 here, 120, 221 here. And the 4 is in the center. So what will be the number here, students? 1 1 1 1 multiplied by 1 1 1. Understood? So this is the number pattern surprise. Understood, students? So here we came to the end of our this chapter, unit 7. Everything in this chapter is to be done in the textbook only, student. Nothing is to be written in the notebook till now. The worksheet what I will give you, that only you are supposed to write down in the notebook, students. Understood? What we have done today? Today we learned about the secret number and number surprises. I hope you have enjoyed the today's class. These surprises you can play with your friends.